It's been a long day. I'm really hungry. I feel like an egg omelette.
Really?
I'm gonna go. My brother doesn't know how. He doesn't want to as well. So I would have to make it. What you need for an egg omelette is 1 egg, 2 salt, 3 oil, then 4 you can have bread, 5 onions.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't. Ryan, should I do it?
Yeah, let him do it.
No, I'm scared to use a knife. So right now I'm just chopping up the coriander. So right now we're going to add the onions, the coriander and the chilies into the mixture. One bowl is not going to have the chilies and then the other one will. So let's just get about half of this. Some of this. And now the rest will go into here. Oh, watch out with the knife. Now we've forgotten one important ingredient. The eggs. Without the eggs, how are you supposed to make an omelette? And as well as that, we need the salt. Now it's time for the fun bit, whisking the eggs. But what about me? What about you? I don't get to do anything. Yay! What? Oh, that's how you do it. With your So now we have to wait till it's really hot, and then we need to pour our egg mixture into the pan and start making our omelette. So now we've made the mixture, we need to open up the oil and put a little in the pan, a hot pan. That should be enough. All we need to do is flip it, make, and let's fill it up. So now it looks like it's a bit sizzling. Hot. So now it's nice round, we've poured it in. Now all we have to do is wait till it's really nice hot, but it's still sizzling now. I've looked at it, looks like it's going to be a delicious omelette. But we still have another one to do, don't we? And I'm sure soon it will be ready. So I've just flipped the egg over because we need both sides nice, crunchy, warm. It looks really toasty. This part looks really. So I've just flipped it over. Now it's looking a bit better. I'm pushing it down with this sizzling thing. And it's starting. I love cooking. I think I made an omelette almost by myself. Or my brother.
Eh?
Once this is done, we're going to move on to the next one with chilies. Then you can watch us eat it. We've made the omelette and we've got some roti. Break it, take this, and then last part, eat it.